Introducing the 2023 Skoda Kodiaq, a powerhouse of luxury and safety. With a sleek grey exterior and powerful 2.0 TDI 150 horsepower engine, this SUV is ready to take on any adventure. Packed with comfort features like air conditioning, Bluetooth phone connectivity, and rear armrest, every drive will be a pleasure. Safety is paramount, with ABS, multiple airbags, and collision avoidance braking. The Skoda Kodiaq also boasts stylish additions, like roof rails and privacy glass. Rest easy knowing this vehicle has undergone a full health and safety check and comes with a comprehensive warranty. Don't miss out, call us or visit spiritmotorgroup.ie for more details.